Model, 2005 Ford Transit 17-seater minibus camper 2.4 TDDI spares OR repairs. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 227887. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4 DURA TDDI, 92. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward. Simple bolt-on repair with these simple engines: gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.